Well, hey guys, in today's review, I want to talk about this Fanttik cordless vacuum cleaner. This thing is great. I want to go over a couple features and then I'll show you guys kind of how it works. First of all, it's super light, weighs like a pound, which is really nice. See how small it is as well. It even comes with like this little pouch. You can kind of keep it in if you want to, but folds out. But you can keep it in this pouch if you'd like. But really cool, really small and sleek design. One of the smallest ones. I've had a lot of these recently, reviewed a bunch of these on different channels. But this is a really cool option with that. Has a bunch of different features, and I'll show you some of those. But overall, it's really small, really nice. When you hit the button, this side right here is the vacuum. This side right here is the blower, which we've seen that in a few different items. But Fanttik is a really good brand. They have a lot of cool features with it. So first you got, a little extra duster. So if you're going to be, on steps, or if you want to do something in your car, you got that. You also have an extendable one as well, which is really nice. It just slides right in there. And then, you have small detailed ones and stuff like that you can put on right here. And again, do your entire car or outside or inside as well, in your house. Then you also have little options for blowers. You got these, they screw in the bottom here. So you got these, again, you can do that. I actually just had to blow a bunch of things up recently, but if you want to blow up like an air mattress or any kind of thing like that, you can use this. You even have, different ones where they can get in smaller and larger items as well. So this would be a great thing. Just really small. You could even take it camping or in your pack or that kind of stuff. So got a bunch of cool items like that. It is rechargeable, which is nice. In order to dump it, all you have to do is open this up. Just pull that up, and then you can dump this right out. You see it has a filter right here. It then comes with a replacement filter, but has a filter. You can just dump everything out, and then you are good to go, ready to knock it out again. And so one of the cool things right here on the bottom, it shows you this is just the regular mode. That's the heavy duty mode. And then it also will show you, it'll have like a red line when you're getting low. So that means, you need to go charge it, that kind of stuff. So really cool device, a lot of cool features and little parts and pieces that fit on here in different ways. But I like the design, super easy to use, and really cool thing. So let's go ahead and check it out and see some of its features in action. So we're going to check out some of the features right here. As you can see, this is just the basic vacuum setup right there. All you have to do is turn it on and it will start going, which is really nice. Then you can even add in this little extendable feature right here. This is a great way to get into those small crevices and even places you might not be able to reach, really tight areas. Again, it does a really good job. You can see right here, it is grabbing all the dirt and everything out of my truck and on my seats and car seats. You can see this is just from a couple minutes of using this in my truck. And it also has the other feature as well. Again, small areas and able to get in these cracks. So it works really nice. It's not super loud either, so it's great. I didn't want to turn it on so you could hear me talking over this, but it's pretty good. And it does a really good job, as you can see right here, getting all these little pieces of trash. So guys, here is the Amazon listing. Just want to show you guys this right now. It is on a limited time deal for $65, but normally $99. So this is a great time to purchase one of these. But you can see all the different items that we pointed out. You see all these little dusters and all the large items as well, even a little cleaner tool, and then all of these items right here, which is, again, a super cool idea. Then you have 4-in-1 scenarios. You see the car vacuum that I showed you guys. You have the duster. You can use that for your computer or anything. Pump, and then also the storage bag vacuum. So a lot of cool features on that. You have the time frame right here. Might not have told you all about that, but 40 minutes, 13 minutes, and then also the indicator for low right there. You see all of this, and then a bunch of the multi-function accessories on there as well. So a lot of cool features, a lot of cool ideas. Again, I think this is probably my favorite little vacuum. I like it because it's a vacuum, and I actually used the pump yesterday to blow up an inflatable. So there's so many different options for this. You can do so many different things. Again, if you're going to use it to clean off your computer, you can do that, or use it in your car, or even use it in your house. There's so many different options. Comes in a nice little bag. Highly recommend you check this out. I will have a link for this down below, and if I have any other codes or anything like that, that'll be down there as well. But thanks so much for watching. If this video is helpful, you can let me know that. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.